South Africa expected to release manufacturing data for April. The numbers will give us a clearer sense of where the sector is headed in the second quarter, following a tough start to the year, with manufacturing shrinking by 2% in Q1 and, of course, dragging overall economic growth down with it. Now, interestingly enough, while the plastics sector was among those weighing down those numbers, it's concluded a 3-year wage agreement with unions, which is above inflation. Let's get a sense of what's happening on the ground. Our reporter, Ntokozo Khumalo, is standing by at a plastics factory in Pretoria. Ntokozo, what kind of products are being made there? How is this business managing to shape at least some growth in this kind of environment?
Good afternoon, Michelle. Well, we are about to go down to the factory to get a sense of the operations here. Very busy today with exports to some other SADC countries such as Namibia. But I do have with me the public project manager, Saul Tobejane. Thank you so much for talking to us. Now, Michelle was asking, what products do you manufacture here? And just looking at the state of the industry, some of the headwinds that you've had to work through as the plastic sector.
Good day, all the viewers. Here in Unica, we say the world rests on us because we're producing a large range of products, starting from the chair, stadium chairs, party chairs, school furniture, urban systems, meaning the wheelie bins, that are used largely by the municipalities. And we have another company that is specializing on steel, which is very large at Hammanskraal, Babelegi. And we've got a section of fabric. We manufacture tents, camping tents, tarpaulins, just a lot.
Everything.
Everything. Buckets, basins, houseware, washing baskets, everything to cover everybody, because our vision is to serve everyone in South Africa and the neighboring countries by the year 2030.
Year 2030, a lot of big dreams in a sector that really has been facing, as I said, those headwinds. Just how have you as Unica worked through some of the challenges? Help us understand the challenges that the industry has been working through, but the opportunities for growth that lie. As you said, you want to be supplying the whole of Africa by 2030. How do you get to that point?
Our mission is to ensure that we bring more people on board, because the main problem in South Africa is job creation. To create jobs and make sure that our products is quality and to satisfy all the people and collaborate with other companies, not just compete unnecessarily, to make sure that we satisfy the public and we meet the quality requirements of South Africa at large.
And now the products that you do make, really every household has those products. Michelle, it is your plastic chairs, it is your containers and so on. Just talk us through then, Saul, we were talking earlier that you've actually increased your employment numbers by 95% over the past year, employing now over 1,300 people. And to keep those jobs is not easy in the current environment. Talk us through just a little bit of your strategy. You have production going on downstairs, going to other parts of the SADC region.
Yes, we kept, and in fact, we employed more people because we live by our values, which are creating jobs for people. And our vision is to create more jobs for people. You know, there are ups and downs where you find that the problems of production are large, caused by things like load shedding. The other years it was that COVID, but we could rose about because of we are focused and we live by our values and norms. And the other important thing is that we are customer focused. and we make sure that we expand our productivity and get more people, improve our production by applying one of our values being continuous improvement. So we don't believe on reaching our climax. We believe on keeping on improving because it should be continuous. And then the other thing that we do is that we got good customer service. We listen to customers and we get involved with the community. We sponsor all the customers that seek help from us. Like on Mandela Days, we go to schools, be with them, help them get programs like recycling and municipalities, because they are the main customers for us with the wheelie bins.
Yeah.
Yes. Hence, you find that we cover almost all the municipalities in South Africa and the neighboring countries such as Namibia, because our products are quality.
Well, Saul, thank you so much for talking to us. And what was interesting, Michelle, is this company is one of the few companies in the country that manufactures those bins that we have at home that we take out on a Monday morning or Tuesday morning. So Saul, they're really highlighting the importance of being customer-centric, perhaps not focusing so much on the headwinds, but getting on with the business of creating the products that your market wants and communicating with customers on new products they should do. So the business having started with those plastic chairs that you can find anywhere in the world, but having recently diversified into other products such as plastic buckets and so on, enabling them to create those jobs and be part of the industry then that had that wage agreement with workers, Michelle. So the industry not, wallowing in the woes of headwinds that is leading to manufacturing and other industries contracting, but still looking for those opportunities to mold out any sort of growth. Michelle.
Well, certainly. I mean, these are the products that we all use, all of us, in our homes, and we don't give it a second thought. Ntokozo Khumalo, thanks very much indeed.